Hey, campers and adventure lovers! Get ready for the top 20 early Amazon Black Friday camping deals of 2025 with discounts up to 50% off. From ultralight stoves to high-tech lighting and survival gear, we've rounded up everything you need for your next outdoor adventure. Whether you're hiking, camping, or backpacking, these gadgets will level up your comfort, safety, and fun. Stick around till the end because deal number 20 is a total game changer. Number 1. Foldable Camping Stove. Tired of bulky gear taking up space in your pack? The foldable camping stove is your new go-to. Made from stainless steel with a collapsible design, it's ultra-light yet durable enough for all terrains. Set it up in seconds and enjoy stable cooking with excellent heat control. Perfect for quick meals, coffee breaks, or boiling water in the wild. Compact, efficient, and reliable. This stove turns any campsite into your personal outdoor kitchen. Number 2. Ultralight Dry Sack. Nothing ruins a trip faster than soaked clothes or gear. The Ultralight Dry Sack keeps your essentials dry and protected. Crafted from waterproof ripstop nylon, it's lightweight, durable, and easy to pack. The roll-top closure ensures a tight seal, keeping out rain, mud, and splashes. Ideal for kayaking, hiking, or backpacking adventures. Stay organized, dry, and worry-free, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Number 3. Lantern with USB power bank. Running out of light or battery is a camper's nightmare. The lantern with USB power bank solves both. Featuring bright LED illumination and a built-in USB charger, it powers your phone and lights up your tent simultaneously. Compact and rechargeable, it offers multiple brightness modes and a sturdy hook for hanging. Perfect for late-night cooking, reading, or emergencies. Light your campsite and keep your devices alive, day or night. Number 4. Rechargeable Flashlights. Standard flashlights drain batteries fast. The rechargeable flashlights keep going strong. With long-lasting lithium batteries, ultra-bright beams, and waterproof casings, they're built for any outdoor challenge. Adjustable focus lets you zoom in for close work or out for trail spotting. Lightweight and pocket-sized, they're essential for campers, hikers, and night explorers. Illuminate your path confidently and never get left in the dark again. Number 5. Smokeless Patio Fire Pit. Hate smoke blowing in your face? The Smokeless Patio Fire Pit delivers all the warmth without the fumes. With double-wall airflow technology, it burns wood efficiently for clean, roaring flames. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's sturdy, portable, and perfect for backyards or campsites. Enjoy cozy nights by the fire without watery eyes or smoke smell. It's warmth, comfort, and style, all in one sleek pit. Number 6. Ultralight Backpacking Stove. Weight matters when you're deep in the wild. The Ultralight Backpacking Stove is tiny yet powerful. Built from titanium alloy, it's wind-resistant, fuel-efficient, and easy to ignite with an integrated piezo starter. Boil water in minutes or cook a hot meal wherever you are. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, this mini stove is the ultimate lightweight companion for serious adventurers. Number 7. Camping Pillow. Sleep discomfort ruins great trips. The camping pillow fixes that instantly. With its inflatable ergonomic design, it supports your neck and head for restful sleep. Made from soft TPU-coated fabric, it's lightweight, water-resistant, and packs down to palm size. Whether you're in a tent, hammock, or car, it delivers hotel-like comfort outdoors. Wake up refreshed and ready for another day of adventure. Number 8. Inflatable Sleeping Pad. Cold, uneven ground? No thanks. The Inflatable Sleeping Pad gives you cushion and warmth anywhere. Designed with air cell technology for even support, it prevents heat loss and adds comfort to any surface. The quick inflation valve makes setup fast, while the compact size saves pack space. Durable, waterproof, and ultra-comfortable, it's a game-changer for campers who want quality rest in the wild. Number 9. Ultralight Backpacking Tent. Heavy tents slow you down. The Ultralight Backpacking Tent keeps things light and weatherproof. Built from ripstop nylon with waterproof seams, it's strong enough to handle wind and rain while staying breathable. Easy setup with aluminum poles and compact storage make it perfect for solo or duo travelers. Stay dry, safe, and comfortable wherever adventure calls. Lightweight protection has never looked this good. Number 10. Water Purifier Bottle. Clean water is non-negotiable. The Water Purifier Bottle ensures safe drinking anywhere. Featuring built-in filtration technology, it removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics instantly. Just fill, squeeze, and sip. Durable. BPA-free construction means it's safe for you and the planet. perfect for hiking, camping, or emergencies. Stay hydrated and healthy without carrying heavy water packs. This bottle does it all. Number 11. Emergency Survival Blanket. When the weather turns rough, Emergency Survival Blanket can save lives. Made from aluminized polyethylene, it reflects up to 90% of body heat to prevent hypothermia. Compact, waterproof, and reusable, it's essential for every pack or car kit. Whether you're stranded, injured, or facing sudden cold, it's lightweight protection that could make all the difference. Number 12. Black Diamond Spot Headlamp. Hands-free lighting is a must. The Black Diamond Spot headlamp delivers powerful brightness in a tiny package. With multiple beam modes, waterproof housing, and long battery life, it adapts to any environment. Perfect for hiking at night, setting up camp, or exploring caves. Comfortable, adjustable, and incredibly bright, this headlamp keeps your path clear no matter where adventure leads. Number 13. Gear Tie Reusable Cable Ties. Tangled cords and gear chaos? Not anymore. The Gear Tie reusable cable ties keep everything organized. Made from flexible rubber and strong wire, they twist, bend, and hold anything from cords to tent poles. Weather-resistant and reusable, they're perfect for camping, travel, or everyday use. Lightweight and endlessly useful, these ties bring order to the wild. Number 14. Hydromedary Water Storage Bag. Running out of water mid-trail? The Hydromedary Water Storage Bag keeps you hydrated longer. Crafted from tough TPU material, it's puncture-resistant, BPA-free, and compatible with most hydration systems. The large opening makes filling and cleaning easy, while the bite valve ensures smooth flow. Perfect for backpacking or long hikes, it's your mobile hydration station on the go. Number 15. Alocs Camping Cookware Set. Cooking outdoors shouldn't mean compromise. The Alocs Camping Cookware Set includes non-stick pots, pans, and utensils built from anodized aluminum for durability and easy cleaning. Lightweight, stackable, and efficient, it's perfect for groups or solo campers. Cook like a pro under the stars. Whether you're frying, boiling, or brewing coffee, this set has you covered. Number 16. Portable Foldable Solar Panel. Dead battery in the wild? Not anymore. The portable foldable solar panel turns sunlight into power. With high-efficiency solar cells, it charges phones, GPS devices, and cameras quickly. Foldable, waterproof, and lightweight, it fits perfectly in your pack. Whether you're camping, hiking, or off-grid, this eco-friendly charger keeps your adventure powered up. Number 17. Alocs Camping Kettle. Craving coffee at sunrise? The Alocs Camping Kettle makes it easy. Made from anodized aluminum, it's lightweight, heat-conductive, and durable. The foldable handle and fast-boil design make morning brews effortless. Ideal for tea, coffee, or boiling water for meals. Compact, tough, and reliable. It's your campsite essential for warm, comforting drinks anywhere. Number 18. Essential Camping Survival Kit. Emergencies happen when you least expect them. The Essential Camping Survival Kit keeps you prepared. Packed with fire starters, tools, a compass, and a first aid set, it covers all bases. Compact and waterproof, it fits easily in your backpack or glove box. Perfect for hikers, campers, or survival enthusiasts, it's peace of mind in one compact kit. Number 19. Camping Lantern with Hanging Hook. Lighting up your campsite just got easier. The camping lantern with hanging hook provides 360-degree illumination with adjustable brightness. Rechargeable and weatherproof, it's built for any adventure. The foldable hook makes hanging simple. Inside tents, on branches, or car hoods. Bright, durable, and portable, this lantern keeps your nights glowing. Number 20. Adventure Camp Cook Set. Love cooking in the wild? The Adventure Camp Cook Set is built for explorers. Featuring stackable stainless steel pots, pans, and mugs, it's durable, compact, and made for efficiency. Great for 2 to 4 campers, it distributes heat evenly for perfect meals. Cleanup is fast, storage is compact, and the quality is top-notch. Cook, eat, and share great meals wherever your journey leads. And there you have it, 20 amazing early Amazon Black Friday camping deals for 2025. From lighting and cookware to survival gear, these gadgets are all about smarter, safer, and more comfortable adventures. Hit like, subscribe, and check the description below for all the Amazon links before these deals disappear. Gear up, head out, and make your next adventure unforgettable.